Hi guys, it's Andrew with AP Futures, and I'm going to do a little update. I did my first withdrawal on Take Profit Trader. I'm really excited. Look at this daily payouts. And as you can see, I have, let's do the process really quick. I got two accounts here, right? They're both right above my buffer, which is 26,500. So if you go to your wallet, you can pretty much hit withdrawal here. Sorry, I'll stop right there. It says I got $55 to withdraw. Right now, I'm at 26,812, which means I can withdraw $312, but that updates at the end of day, normally in the middle of the night. So around 10 or 11 o'clock Central Standard Time, I'll be able to request the $312. I plan on requesting $250 from each account. I'm going to very slowly build the buffer, but I want to take some bigger requests at first, just to pay myself and have that ROI for the account, so I make sure I'm in profits from what I spent on this account. So after I request this next $250, I'm going to slowly request less. I'm going to start requesting just $200 per day per account, and once I build that buffer, make it so I can size heavier, and then potentially I'll just request a bigger payout later. So you do the withdrawal, you go over to your wallet, it'll eventually say total balance up here, right? So you hit the withdrawal button, and then you can either request a payout with the amount that's in there. So once I request the withdrawal from those accounts and my pro accounts, it will automatically take their split out. So like right here, I requested $250 from each account, right? And then $500 came in, or I guess $216 after the request was right here per account, which makes it available. My total balance was the $432 right here. Get what I'm saying, right? So if you hit the withdrawal button, then there was that $432 right here, and once you request it, it goes to your reserved, right? So once it goes to your reserved, you go to your withdrawal, and then you hit action, and then you say request payout right here, right? Which is nice, because then I have it with Plaid, so it just goes straight into my account within a couple hours to a day or two max, but it's normally a couple hours from what I've been told. And yeah, and then you can start doing this daily, which is really nice, right? The first day it takes a little bit longer because you have to set everything up, so expect to wait a day or two to be able to request your first payout. And then after that, I heard it's a lot more streamlined. And what's really nice about having money in your wallet with Take Profit Trader, you can, let's go back here. Let's create a new account, right? Let's say I want to buy a 25K account. Next, you can pay with the money that's in your wallet. So if I leave a little bit of money in the wallet, which is here, then I can pay for another account with here, so I can leave a little bit of money in my wallet to be able to buy new accounts. So I think that's pretty cool. The process is pretty streamlined. You can get paid via Wise if you want to. I'm going to see which one's faster. I'm going to test my next payout tonight, send it via Wise, and I'll kind of just do an update on how much faster it is. And yeah, the plan is to just keep building this up, and probably by next week I'm going to buy 3 more of these accounts. So once I'm requesting $200 per account times 5, requesting $1,000 a day, and that's, you can see where I start stacking up a lot. And another little update on my accounts. These are the accounts that I have right here. I am, let's see, 1,600 away from a payout, so pretty close on that one. This one here, or excuse me, this one I'm 2,800 away. This one I am 2,800 away, which that's really like I'm doubling the amount. So that will take me about a week because I'm sizing money. Today was like a lighter day. These two right here, I am about $1,500 away. So if I don't take a loss this week, these two will be a payout. So a lot more payouts coming out here soon. Plus I have my daily payouts from my take profit trader accounts. So I'll keep you guys updated, and make sure to like and subscribe for more content.